Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Beetle distributor. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent electrical hazards. Next, carefully mark the distributor's housing position against the engine case with a scribe or paint pen. This crucial step helps maintain proper timing during reassembly. Finally, label each spark plug wire before removal. With the battery disconnected and markings made, proceed to remove the distributor cap. Typically, this involves releasing 2 clips on either side. Gently lift the cap off and set it aside. Next, locate and carefully disconnect the vacuum advance hose, if present, from the distributor's side. Finally, unplug any electrical connectors, such as those for the ignition coil or points, ensuring you note their positions for correct reattachment. Now, it's time to remove the distributor unit itself. Locate the retaining clamp bolt at the base of the distributor where it meets the engine case. Loosen this bolt sufficiently to allow the distributor to rotate and then be pulled free. With the bolt loose, carefully pull the distributor straight up and out of its housing. Avoid twisting it excessively. Once removed, inspect the O-ring and the drive shaft for any signs of wear or damage. After successfully removing the distributor, it's important to cover the opening in the engine case to prevent any dirt or foreign objects from entering. You can use a clean rag or a cap for this purpose. Store the removed distributor in a safe, clean place if you plan to inspect or replace it. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.